first program, write the 8051 program to get a data from port 0 and send it to port 1 continuously. Simultaneously, while an interrupter will do the following. What it is going to do is timer 0 will toggle the port P2.1 bit every 100 microseconds. So it is very important that you have to calculate the delay. Okay. So others please note down. You have to calculate the delay for 100 microseconds. Okay, that is important. So that has to be done similar to the timer program. So whatever you have done, the calculation for timer program, the same methodology has to be followed to calculate the delay of 100 milliseconds. That count value we have to use. Okay, let us go to the program. The program always starts with org00h and we will be giving ljump main. So what is this ljump main? Why we are giving this? Because the interrupt subroutines will start from 000, that is reset interrupt, and next 0003, 00B, 001B, like that it will be 2-3. Like the till serial communication, we are having some physical locations which are predefined in the vector table. So interrupt vector table will have the physical locations for each and every type of interrupt. In this particular interrupt, in this particular program, we are going to use timer interrupt. So timer 0 interrupt, if you have the classwork notebook, you can refer timer 0 interrupt, what is the physical location. The physical location will be 000B H. So therefore we have to write the program what is required when an interrupt occurs. Okay. So when the interrupt occurs in timer, what we have to do? They have given that we are going to have timer 0 which toggles the pin number P2.1. Therefore the instruction used for toggling is complement P2.1. Okay, complement P2.1 is nothing but we are toggling port P2.1 to generate the waveform based on the delay. Okay, so complement P2.1. Here we are not writing any delay programming. Just we are going to make the decision to complement P2.1. After that, the program has to return to the main program. So the instruction given here is RETI, return after interrupt to the main program. Okay, so interrupt has been executed completely, then it will go to the main program. So this is your interrupt subroutine for timer program. So timer 0 we are using interrupt subroutine. Next we have the main program. It has a label main because ljump main we are given. Same label has to be given. Space move tmon comma as 02h. What is the role of 02h? Is auto reload mode. We are going to set for which particular timer 0. Okay, timer 0 we are setting the mode. So mode 0, mode 1, mode 2. Like that we have studied in timer. We are going to use timer in mode 2. Okay, so 02h is being loaded. After that, we are going to make a port input. Why we are making a port as an input? Because get data from port 0. Get data from port 0. There, man. Get data from port 0. So we are going to have a f of h. So what is this? We are initializing the port 0 as an input port. We are initializing the port 0 as an input port. After initializing the port 0 as an input port, we are going to load the count value -92 which has been calculated for the delay. What is the delay required here? Here 100 microseconds is been required. 100 microseconds, that is it has to be toggled for every 100 microseconds. Therefore T on and T off time is equal to 100 microseconds. Okay, so 100 microseconds is equal to T on and T off. The square waveform we are generating. So that value we are going to load as -90. So after this we are having IE. So the role of IE is to enabling a particular interrupter. So first enabling the particular interrupter, first we have to enable the global interrupt pin 1, and then the particular timer interrupt, timer 0 interrupt has to be enabled. So that particular bit has been set to 1. The remaining bits have been set to 0. Okay. So this is done in binary format. You can also give in hexadecimal format. If you are giving in hexadecimal format, what is the value? 82h. So you can note down either 82h can be given or we can load as binary pattern. After this, we are going to start the timer. What is the role of starting the timer? So waveform generation, we have to start the timer. Which timer has to be started? As per the program, timer 0 has to be started. So the instruction is set to TR0. After starting the timer, we are going to do the routine work in the main program. What is the routine work we want to do? Get the data from port 0 and send it to port 1. So port 0 already we have made as configured as input port. We are getting the data from port 0, only accumulator can access the ports. So we are transferring the data to the accumulator, and from the accumulator we are transferring to the port 1. So why we are transferring to port 1? As per the question, it is being transferred to the port 1. So this has to be done. And this has to be done repeatedly. Therefore, SJump back is being connected here, and it has been done repeatedly. Whatever data we are going to do. End. Okay. So now we can see the execution of this particular program.